Bom dia, Marcin Eu. Oi, gente. Hello, everybody. This is Brazilian Portuguese with Martin. Lesson 3. I am very excited for having you here. I am very glad that you decided to watch the video. I am very grateful for that. I also would like to ask you to like the video, also comment underneath, follow my channel. Yes, this time I got it right. Follow my channel, and also let's get started. So on the first lesson we have learned how to say hello. On the second lesson we have learned how to say how are you, and today we are going to learn how to introduce ourselves. Before we get to that, I would like to remind ourselves what we have learned on the last lesson. So how to say how are you? Você está bem? I'm good. Eu estou bem. I'm bad. Eu estou mal. How are you doing? Como vai? Everything is fine. Tudo bem. Great. Right, so we are going to start with I am Marcin. Eu sou Marcin. Eu sou Marcin. Eu sou Marcin. What's your name? Qual é o seu nome? Qual é seu nome? Qual é o seu nome? My name is Marcin. O meu nome é Marcin. O meu nome é Marcin. Okay? Now we could also say how you being called, which is como você se chama? Como você se chama? And then to say I'm called Marcin, I would say eu me chamo Marcin. Eu me chamo Marcin. Thank you very much for being here today, and see you tomorrow. Ciao!